I grew up in Benin, West Africa. As a model student, I did everything right and faster than most. Finished high school at 15, graduated at 18, landed a dream job. But traditional education had not prepared me for the world of work. I had followed every rule, but still felt lost, unneeded. I was facing a systematic failure. Yet, I have always believed that everyone carries a star within, something powerful and unique to offer the world. And we all have a duty to let that star shine. Too often in Africa, brilliant people fail, not for lack of talent, but because they never get the opportunity or the tools they need to grow. So I went looking for light, interviewing role models across the continent who had excelled in their careers to learn how they did it. Their stories became my beacon. If they could guide me, maybe they could guide others too. And that's how Irawo was born. Irawo means star in Yoruba. It's a learning platform where professionals across Africa build the skills they need to perform at a global standards. They learn by doing in a supportive peer community, guided by leaders in their fields. Since launch, Irawo has trained over 25,000 professionals at every stage of their careers. Many have earned promotion, grown businesses, and created wealth in their community. Each of them is now a star lighting the way for others. Because when you let your star shine, you become a light that guides others to their own. Thank you.